Thanks for taking the time to listen to this video titled The Mortgage Loan Process. The idea of this video is to give you a brief understanding of exactly what's involved during the mortgage loan application and approval process. The first thing that you will have done, of course, is your comparison shopping. And then once you've made a decision to choose a particular bank, lender, or broker to do business with, if you haven't already, you'll be making a loan application. At that time, you'll probably also be receiving an updated good faith estimate, and you may have an opportunity at that time, depending on the particular loan program that you're considering, you may be able to go ahead and lock your rate. So if you're confident in the rate and unsure about the market conditions, you may want to go ahead and take an opportunity to lock your rate at this time if that option is available to you. Next, you will also be paying the lender for an appraisal. The lender will then order an appraisal because the bank, lender, or broker wants to make certain that the property which is being used as collateral actually meets the qualifying criteria and is actually worth the amount of money that's being lent for the mortgage loan. Next, the verification of all of the information on your application will be conducted by a processor at the bank, lender, or broker. They will verify through your employer, your bank, and etc. that all of the information that's being used to qualify you for the loan is true and accurate. Once that information is gathered and that file is compiled, they will then submit that loan for final approval to the underwriter. The underwriter then makes sure that all of the information that was originally determined to be accurate in the file actually qualifies you for the mortgage loan. This will result in one of three things: either a denial of the loan, an approval for the loan, or an approval with conditions. If there are conditions on the loan, then those conditions will be sent back to the processor, and the processor will contact you and possibly ask for some additional information or explanation, or possibly even some additional documentation to support some of the information in the loan file. Then you'll be able to actually, once you have a clear to close of these conditions, you'll be able to schedule for settlement. Then you can proceed to settlement and complete your transaction. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Because you have access to this information, you can send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this video.